In front of me is TECNO Spark 20 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now click on this plus at the bottom left corner. And to take a photo, hit camera here and select photo in the pop-up. Then take a pic. And to attach it, use this check mark at the bottom right corner. To select a photo that's already on your device, hit Gallery section instead and click on it here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!